Hi, I'm Tony from Yacht Controller in the Yacht Group, and today's video snippet is to talk to you about one of the great features that the Maximo new generation Yacht Controller offers, the Wi-Fi remote and local accessibility. And we'll do it right from the helm. Today's video tutorial is to discuss one of the greatest features that the new Yacht Controller series will have, is the local and remote Wi-Fi access cards. The new Maximo series, powered by the 64-bit quad-core processor, will come equipped with two Wi-Fi cards. The first Wi-Fi card is so that you can access the Yacht Controller system locally on board your vessel, whether it be through your MFD display, your chart plotters from Raymarine, Garmin, and others to come, your smartphones, your tablets, so that you have the accessibility to your LCD screen without having to reach underneath the helm to access the system. And that's a really great feature for two reasons. Number one is the versatility to be able to access different settings, making adjustments to the system. But second, and most important for me, is the real-time customer service. So what I'm showcasing now as I'm demonstrating accessing this Yacht Controller via a smartphone in the palm of my hand. And ideally, I'm simulating this as the boater would be, let's say, for example, in the Bahamas, and my customer service representative sitting right here in our corporate offices in South Florida would be in communication with the customer over the phone. That customer would then provide us the WireGuard ID and password, where then the customer service representative would gain access to the Yacht Controller system. And just to clarify a bit, we will only have the ability to gain access to change parameters, send firmware and software updates, spectrum radio analyzation. We will never be able to gain access of actually controlling your vessel remotely. So here, simulating this, for example, here we talked about changing a speed setting, where in the user advanced profile, we'd be able to go in and make these speed settings adjustable for you. So we talked about where the customer says, that my speed setting 10%, now I'm at this marina, I'm gonna be here for 2 or 3 months. Really, it'd be great to have another 150 RPMs. We can go in there and make these finite adjustment settings as I'm doing here now, demonstrating for the customer. And then he would just we'd save the settings for him. And he'd simply go out and test it and say, you know what? That's great, that works perfect, and that would be a permanent setting. Or he may come back and say, you know what, I could really use another 50 RPMs, for example. And we would just go back in there. And again, providing this real-time customer service where we'll be able to make these adjustments for the customer. These settings will also be available and accessible to the customer locally, but this real-time customer service, we believe, sets us apart from any wireless control in the market and allows us to truly support our customers well beyond the warranty phase and through the life of the ownership.